Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back. You are tuned to Sayyid Global Productions and ITV's Quick and Easy Cooking. And today we're talking all about eggs, organic eggs as such, which we can receive out here in Far East. And I'm sure you can also get in other parts of the country, in farm areas, in rural areas, etc. But to make the most of it, egg is a very high protein, and the way you cook it is actually novel. And the way you serve it is even more novel. So inshallah, I hope that everybody's happy with this recipe, the way it came out. And inshallah, now I'm going to show you a double pirate's eye. And what I've done is already separated the egg yolks from the egg whites. And alhamdulillah, it didn't crack. The yolks are still full. I'm putting some of the ingredients. I put some salt, some pepper. And I don't put chilies when I'm mixing the egg whites because then it becomes a bit too spicy. You just need a bit of tang, a bit of strength, but not so strong that it causes you to burn and forget about the taste of the egg. As I said, try and taste the egg itself. Yeah. So this one here, I hope this inshallah comes out right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm making a double, so you can even make a triple. Parvez, should I make a double or triple? Depends on you. Double, okay. So there are 2 slices of bread then we're going to use, and try and use both, right? And you use another slice of bread. Get all the whites in, inshallah. Even if you want, you can add now cheese in between here to give it extra flavor or a bit of a cheesy effect. I'm going to do that. Some cheese in there. Cover it. Not supposed to break actually. So it will seal with the whites. Whites is actually a sealant. The white of an egg is the sealant. So because we've got 2 egg yolks, we're going to put 2 dents. Okay, let me put the oil on. So we got the oil on. So very carefully drop 1 yolk there and another yolk there. So it becomes a double pirate's eye, as you can see, Parvez. Right. So now that we have that ready, let's hope our just wiping my hands so it doesn't become too. I'm going, because it's double, I don't want to get things too messed up, so I'm going to add the ingredients now. A pinch of salt, pinch of chili powder, can be any chili powder, pinch of lemon pepper. All right, now to get it onto the pan, hope the oil is hot enough. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is. Alhamdulillah. Same procedure as well. This is the more exotic one because you've got cheese inside, and then you can even add the cheese on top. You can even add toppings, but it's not a pizza. I'll show you one day how to make bread pizza, but this is you need to get the taste of the egg. Again, just to keep dropping the ghee and oil mixture until you see the sides are cooked. What you can even do with this, if you want it to be a bit more cooked, once you've added the oil and you see in the ghee and then you see that it's cooked, you can even put it under the grill for a while. But really not necessary because there is enough heat to have everything cooked. So how's it going there, Parvez? Can you see it's getting cooked? Yeah, interesting, eh? So one more recipe for you, Parvez. As a single parent, doing a fantastic job, I must say, Parvez. Excellent job with 2 lovely boys. Allah grant you the strength, inshallah. You can even teach them to do this, and they can serve you this on a Sunday morning, inshallah. Right? So you have to see that the egg yolk, because it becomes quite nasty to get the raw egg white into your mouth. You want to get the egg whites all cooked and the egg yolks partially cooked. If you want it fully cooked, all you do is you toss this over. But I don't think you want to lose the taste of the egg. So here we go. Going to be lifting it off the pan. Inshallah, it doesn't crack. Try and drop off some oil. Here we go. And I'm not going to crack that. What I'm going to show you is with this one, you put a whole lot of cheese because it's an exotic pirate's eye. You can then put this under the grill if you want, but because it's hot, you will find that it's going to actually melt. Right? So can I just do it like this, Parvez? And put some coriander around it, because I don't want to spoil the taste of the egg itself. All right? Okay, and I think I had some sign somewhere. Anyway, there we go. So this is your cooking. You can put this under the grill, but as it stands, you will notice that the cheese melts. And this is your double pirate's eye. And when you do cut it, you will find that the egg is going to spread. There's 2 yolks that's going to spread. You can drop it all over here, inshallah. Okay, now very quickly, I want to show you one last type of egg. I'll do a whole egg for you and show you what it requires. Again, remove whatever comes out from here. Let's use 2 eggs for this. It's actually an omelette in a slice of bread, which is quite exciting. I'm going to be adding the same ingredients, a pinch of salt, a pinch of chili, pinch of lemon pepper. But because it's an omelette in a bread, I'm going to be adding some green onion, some green peppers, some red peppers, just for the color, yellow peppers. And I don't know if Parvez likes chili, but I'm just going to cut a bit of chili in here. You can even add some raw onions if you want. It depends what you really like in omelette. Perhaps you want to put some mushroom as well. Just going to leave this there. Crack this, mix it nicely. What you're going to do with your bread is interesting. Just going to put some more ghee in here so that we have enough. Here we need quite a lot. Put that on. Some olive oil. While that is getting done, this is what I'm going to do with the bread. Cut this, cut the center out. You can cut how much you want out, but make sure that you cut so you'll see what we do with the slice in the end. Let's join that. And the oil is a bit too hot. I'm just going to layer this. You can use just the egg white, but I'm just going to layer this here. Seal that. Even if it breaks, you can correct it. Put this in here. And very quickly add your egg mixture in here. It shouldn't actually break, but anyway, you just pour it back in. You can use it for 2 slices of bread. And this slice of bread, put it back on here. Be careful because it splatters. This we have to turn. All right? So let's hope it's cooked enough for us to turn it. All right? Nice and brown. And then I'm going to, I think it should be cooked at the bottom. How you'll know is because the ghee is all used up. I'm going to put it back into the same plate. It will cook whatever egg is left. So there you have your omelette on a slice of bread. You don't even have to have roti or bread. You can use your same garnishing, some coriander. Although we did put some in the mixture. Serve it with red chilies. You can even put thyme, etc. Some garnishing, further garnishing. And what my personal favorite is to add just a bit of chili, a bit more of pepper, And if you want, just a pinch of salt again. And there you have your exclusive egg dishes made with organic eggs and simple bread at home. Hope you enjoy it, inshallah. And the other simple omelette, should I show them, Parvez? What you do with a simple omelette? It's just to heat this. It's just to heat this here, right? Whatever oil is left. I personally don't like to waste any oil. So I'm going to put this back instead of throwing it down the drain. Because I have eggs available, very quick and easy. No bread for those of you who are on a diet. You don't have to mix this. So you don't have to separate this. All you do is mix it. Again, the same ingredients. I know someone in our family likes dana jeera. Okay, you can add that. You can use eggs. You can use onions to braise it, but I'm going to put some greens because it's also onions. It's green onions. So I'm not wasting any ghee or oil. Add this to the hot oil. We keep turning until it forms like a tray, all right? There we go. See, as I'm spreading this back, there's a little bit of ghee left, but it's doing the job. Going to add some fresh coriander. Can you see it's getting done, Parvez? Cheese. And lightly fold this over. Can you see that? The toasted onion as well, a green onion. And there you have your quick and easy omelette. Done with fresh eggs, organic eggs. Now, did you like that or not, Parvez? Oops. Did you like that or not, Parvez? You can have it with a grated green chili, some shallot. We've used up all our garnishing. 4 types of dishes with just less than 4 eggs. And there we have it. Did you enjoy that, Parvez? He says, wonderful. So enough eggs to feed an army. I wish my grandkids were here, but under lockdown, we understand everybody's in their little nests. I hope Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala keeps you safe, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even if you do get sick, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala cures you because He's the healer. And even if you lose your life in the process, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accepts you as a shaheed. We are Muslims. We place our trust in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Stay safe in your homes with the protection of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and His mercy. And we hope that you will enjoy all the cooking because it's time that you have enough time under lockdown. So do enjoy the cooking. Do remember us in your prayers. We've reached the first 10 days of Zulqa'dah, Zil-Hijjah. These are the best days of the entire year. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it from us. Any good deed we do, accept the charity, He accepts, and we increase our charity, we increase our istighfar, we increase our duroods, we increase our tilawat, we increase our salah, we increase our tahajjud. It's beautiful days and nights. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless us with many more wonderful sacred days like this. I wish you the best and wish you all the best to the akhirah as well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you for serving your families, bless you for you cooking for your families. The best way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Okay, that's just a joke. But till we meet again, from myself and my humble kitchen, I bid you a very warm assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.